hear you. Butcher knife. I like looking at it. It's like salt. What do your hands smell like? Leave in a video response telling me what your hands smell like. Because I want to know what your hands smell like. That's it. Yeah. Ha. Like my wink. I turned to my eye. That's my wink. It's up here. It works. Like it is. No, but seriously. Ah. I like lip syncing. I was gonna bring a prop, but I didn't know what to bring, so I didn't. I mean, I'm wearing the same shirt because I'm doing this tomorrow. I'm gonna change my shirt. I'll be right back. Just gonna stop and I'll play with a different shirt on. $100, different shirt. Be right back. Bye. Wait.